Bench testing the 1957 Cadillac Headlight switch, fog light option, serial number 03082022, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. Test number 3, dash lights operation, low to high. Test number 4, tail and fog light operation, front parking lights off. Test number 5, circuit breaker operation. Test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. Again, this is the run-up test for the 1957 Cadillac headlight switch, the fog light option, serial number 03082022, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Using a fully charged battery at 12.85 volts, we'll be turning on the battery charger to increase the voltage for this run-up test. Now an indication of 13.87 volts. For test number 1, tail and parking light operation. First position, an indication of the tail lights and the front parking lights on and off. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. First position, we have the tail lights, front parking lights. Second position, we have headlights, and we see that the front parking lights are off, but we still have the tail lights on. First position, tail, front parking, and off. Test number 3, dash light operation, low to high. First position, tail, front parking, rotating rheostat from the off position. We see that we have dash light brightness increasing as we rotate the switch back to the off position. In second position, with the headlights on, we rotate the rheostat, increase the brightness of the dash lights to full on. Second position, first position, and off. Test number 4, tail and fog light operation, front parking lights off. First position, an indication of tail lights and the front parking light. Using a shuttle switch that's located in front of the master switch, we rotate the switch and we can turn off the front parking and turn on the front fogs. Early vehicles, especially the Cadillacs, they had a lot of accessories. Using a generator, they were only able to run a certain amount of voltage, and the option for the fog light only allows a fog light and not the parking light. We can turn the parking light on, but not the fog light at the same time. So we're going to go ahead and rotate the switch, show indication the front fog lights are on and front parking lights are off. Front fog lights are off, front parking lights are on. This option is only available in the first position, and there's no indication of the switch function working in the headlight position. Early vehicles with generators didn't have the capability to run multiple lights, so the option is not available in the second position, headlight position, but only in the first position, indicated by this front fog light, front parking, rotate the switch, front fog, back to parking, and off. Test number 5, circuit breaker operation. The master switch has a built-in circuit breaker that would break the circuit in case of any short in the vehicle. So first position, we have indication of front parking and tail, and we also will turn on the dash lights to full. Then we will break the circuit, and we see that the lights are off. Shows that the circuit breaker is controlling the amount of voltage going to the switch and back on again. Test in the headlight position, second position, break the circuit and off. Switch on, circuit breaker off. First position, break the circuit, and off. Test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. Using a standard 12-volt test light, we have the ground of the test light connected to positive, and we see we have indication of a completed circuit through the switch body. Now we'll be probing the fog light switch terminals. You can see there's no connection to ground. Master switch terminals, no connection to ground. This shows that the switch terminals are insulated from ground.